Got a 1987 Mazda RX-7 white. Paint mostly Bondo art. Pop-up headlights winking like they know they broke your heart. Rotor tips whisper sweet nothings in your sleep at night. Every cold starts a prayer. Will it live or will it fight? Electric windows sometimes work. Feel that vintage paint. Tinny speakers blasting highway to hell again. If you need a cranial lobotomy, this RX-7's for you. Backwards cap, cherry vape cloud, sleeve tattoos in full view. Wallets a black hole sucking money like a drain. Engine grenades weekly, welcome to the pain. Bondo's cheap, Bob Ross skills on the fritz. Pain applied by a blind man, or his three-legged Alsatian's piss. Felix Winkle's laughing from the grave, he's the real pest. Join BCA! 4 toes a year, 4 car meets at best. Car meets at best! Tach bounces off the limiter. Red line's your best friend. Till the apex seals decide the fun is gonna end. Eulogize the stick shift while the engine starts to cry. Prepare for the tow truck. Another night, another lie. Government health warning should be stamped on the dash. May cause anxiety, bankruptcy, and a permanent rash. Honda Civic, lived a normal life, had disposable income, kept your hair, avoided strife. But no, you chose the rotor path, the path of endless pain. Every breakdown's a story, every toe's your badge of shame. Vancouver Island's waiting, Euclid to Tofino shore, but your RX-7's waiting for the next tow truck to roar. If you need a cranial lobotomy, this RX-7's the key. Backwards cap, cherry vape, sleeve tattoos for free. Talk to Adam at Barry Motors, he'll sell you the dream. Then watch your sanity unravel at the seam. RX-7 lobotomy, cool, cursed and true. Your wallet's gone, your mind's gone, but hey, you're one of the crew. Click. Silence. Rotor tips. Rotor tips. Good luck, sucker me. Come see Adam at Barry Motors in the night. Most alerts. Your future therapy bill is waiting. No refunds, no sympathy, just vibes and rotor tips.
at Battery Motors. Woke up to the lobotomy. Got a 1987 Mazda RX-7, white paint, mostly Bondo art. Pop-up headlights winking like they know they broke your heart. Rotor tips whisper sweet nothings, and you sleep at night. Every cold starts a prayer with a live await fight. Electric windows sometimes work, feel that vintage pain. Tinny speakers blasting highway to hell again. If you need a cranial lobotomy, this RX7 for you. Backwards cap, cherry fake cloud, sleeve tattoos in full view. Wallet's a black hole, sucking money like a drain. Engine grenades weekly, welcome to the pain. Bondo's cheap, Bob Ross steals on the fritz. Paint applied by a blind man, or his three-legged Alsatian's past. Felix Winkle's laughing from the grave. He's the real pest. Join BCA. 4 tones a year, 4-car meets it best. Tach mouses off the liver, red line's your best friend, till apex seals decide the fun is gonna end. Eulogize the stick shift while the engine starts to cry. Prepare for the tow truck, another night, another lie. Government health warning should be stamped on the dash. May cause anxiety, bankruptcy, and a permanent rash. A fartose.